We're going to look at simplifying improper fractions. In case you've forgotten, an improper fraction is where the numerator is larger than the denominator. So whenever you're looking at a fraction, you're trying to determine if it's improper. Just look at the top number, that's the numerator. Is the numerator bigger than the denominator? If it's not an improper fraction. If it is, 5 is bigger than 2, it's improper. And we can turn these improper fractions into mixed numbers. So that's what we're going to be doing. And so if we see the term simplify and it's an improper fraction, all it means is turn it into a mixed number. This should be review, but if not, this is the basic steps. You would take this top number and divide it by the bottom number. However, we're not concerned with turning it into a decimal. We just want to know this. How many times will 4 go into 25? It goes in 6 times. So this becomes your whole number. At the same time, though, look at how many is left over. If there's anything that's left over, then that becomes your new numerator. So this 1 becomes your new numerator, and we keep the exact same denominator. So there's our answer. 25 fourths is 6 1/4. Now let's go through and do this one. And actually, let's just make this a positive 15 thirds. I don't want to get into that just yet. 15 divided by 3. Well, you get 3, and 15 is 5. So our answer is going to be 5. How many is left over? None. So there's no fraction. Technically, it'd be like 0 over, in this case, 3, 0 over 3, because we'd keep the same denominator, but that's the exact same thing as saying 5. So we don't need a fraction when we have nothing left over. Go ahead, pause the video, try these 4 problems, and do your best. Number 3, again, let's make that one a positive also. Here we go. You should have gotten 5 1/4 for number 1, because 4 goes into 20 5 times, and then you had 1 left over, and that becomes your new numerator. 7 goes into 38 5 times. You have 3 left over, and so we get 5 3/7. 4 goes into 100 25 times, and there's no fraction because there's nothing left over. And then this one is a little bit special. 4 goes into 18 4 times, and we've got 2 left over, and we keep the same denominator. However, it says simplify. If there's a fraction that we can simplify or put it into lowest terms, we need to do that. So our final answer is 4 1/2.